How are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this school situated in Gula Bazar. On last day we have learned different topics. In unit first we have learned numbers up to 200, and in this topic we have learned numbers up to 200, reading numbers, place value, expanded form of numbers, comparing numbers, ordering numbers, even numbers, odd numbers and ordinal numbers. And after that the next unit was addition, and in this topic we have learned adding two-digit numbers, adding two-digit numbers, story sums, addition with regrouping, adding more than two numbers, order of addition. And next unit was subtraction. In this topic we have learned regrouping 110 to 10 ones, subtraction with regrouping, using subtraction to compare, checking subtraction with addition, story sums, addition and subtraction fact. And the next unit is understanding multiplication, and in this topic we have learned multiplying by 2, doubles, multiplying by 5, multiplying by 10, multiplying by 0, multiplying by 1, story sums. And after that the next topic was numbers up to 999, and in this topic we have learned forming numbers up to 999, place value, expanded form of numbers, comparing numbers. And after that the next topic was addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. In this topic we have learned adding two-digit numbers, adding three two-digit numbers, subtracting bigger numbers, story sums. And the next topic is more on multiplication, and in this topic we have to learn multiplying by 3, multiplying by 4, multiplying by 6. We have learned this topic and story sums. And now that is order in addition, multiplying two-digit number, and that is multiplying two-digit number. That is exercise 7.2 we have to study today. Okay, so that you have to multiply here. How we can multiply? You know that the multiplying of two-digit number we have to multiply it in say two steps. In step first you have to write the numbers in column and multiply the ones by this digit, and in next step you have to multiply the tens by this digit. Okay, so let's come on. That is 42. We have to multiply 2 from 2 first. In first step we have to multiply 2 from 2, 2 2s are 4, and in second step you have to multiply 2 from 4, 2 4s are 8. So that is 84. In second, 4 multiply 2, that is 8, and 4 multiply 1, that is 4. So that is 48. Question number third, 13 multiply 2. In first step we have to multiply once, 2 3 is 6, and in second step you have to multiply from tens, 2 1 is 2, that is 26. Question number 4, 22 multiply 3, 3 2 is 6, and 3 2 is 6, that is 66. Question number 5, 12 multiply 3. In first step we have to multiply once from 3, and 3 2 is 6, and in second step you have to multiply 1 from 3, so that is 3. So that is 36. Question number 6, 23 multiply 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2 is 6, that is 69. Question number 7, 32 multiply 3. In first step we have to multiply from ones, 3 2 is 6, and in second step we have to multiply from tens, that is 3 3 is 9, so that is 96. Question number 8, 11 multiply 6. In first step we have to multiply 6 from ones, 6 1 is 6, and after that in second step we have to multiply tens from 6, so that is 6 1 is 6, so that is 66. Question number 9, 21 multiply 3, 3 1 is 3, and 3 2 is 6, because in first step we have to multiply from ones, and in second step we have to multiply from tens, so that is 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, that is 62. Question number 10, 68 multiply 1. You know that when you multiply a number by 1, that is a number itself, so 1 multiply 8 equal 8, and 1 multiply 6 is 6, so that is 68. Question number 11, 13 multiply 3. We have to multiply the ones first, so 3 3s are 9, and after that we have to multiply tens, 3 1 ja 3, so that is 39. Question number 12, 22 multiply 4. On first we have to multiply by ones from 4, 4 2 is 8, and next we have to multiply from tens, 4 2 is 8, so that is 88. In question number 13, 11 multiply 5. In first step we have to multiply from ones, 5 1 is 5, and then after we have to multiply from tens, so that is 5, so that is 55. Question number 14, 33 multiply 2. In first step we have to multiply from ones, 2 3 is 6, and in second step we have to multiply from tens, 2 3 is 6, so that is 66. Question number 15, 33 multiply 3. In first step we have to multiply from ones, 3 3 is 9, and in second step we have to multiply from tens, so that is 3 3 is 9, so that is 99. Question number 16, 44 multiply 2. In first step we have to multiply 4 from 2, that is 2 4 is 8, and in second step we have to multiply 4 from 2, so that is 8, so that is 88. Come on, solve these story sums. There are some story sums, you have to do it. You have to understand first, there are 21 candles in a packet. How many candles are there in 4 such packet? There are 21 candles in one packet. In a packet there are 21 candles. The number of candles in one packet is 21. And how many are there in 4 such packet? And the number of packets is 4. Okay, so we have to multiply 21 from 4. So that is 21 is the number of packet. 21 is the number of candle in each packet, and 4 is the number of packets. So there are 84 candles in 4 packets. When we multiply 21 from 4, 21 multiply 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, so that is 84. There are 84 candles in 4 packets. Question number 2, there are 11 animals in a river. In a river there are 11 animals, and how many animals are there in 9 rivers? In one river there are 11 animals. The number of animals in one river that is 11, and the number of rivers is 9. So we have to find how many animals are there in 9 rivers. So we have to multiply 11 from 9, 9 1 is 9, and 9 1 is 9, so that is 99. 11 multiply 9, 11 is the number of animals in a river, and 9 is the number of rivers. So there are 99 animals in 9 rivers. Multiplication with regrouping. The next topic is multiplication with regrouping. How we can multiply numbers? Multiplication with regrouping, you have to understand it carefully. First topic is regrouping ones. How we can regrouping ones? So let's take an example. There are 4 notebooks. Each notebook has 24 pages. There are 4 notebooks. Each notebook has 24 pages. How many pages are there in all? The number of notebooks is 4. There are 4 notebooks, and in each notebook has 24 pages, and each notebook has the number of pages in each notebook is 24. The number of notebook is 4, and the number of pages in each notebook is 24. So how many pages are there in all? So we have to multiply. To find the number of pages, multiply 24 by 4. In step first, you have to write the numbers in column. Firstly, you have to write the numbers in columns. So 24, greater number on upper side and a smaller number on lower side. Okay. So 24 multiply 4, 24 is greater number and 4 is the smaller number. And in step 2, we have to multiply the ones by 4. 4 ones multiply 4 equals 16 ones. And in step 2, multiply the ones by 4 ones. Multiply the ones by 4. 4 ones multiply 4 equals 16 ones. And you can see here that multiply the ones by 4, 4 ones multiply 4 equals 16 ones. And in step 3, we have to regroup 16 ones into 1 10 and 6 ones. In step 3, we have to regroup 16 ones into 1 10 and 6 ones. carry over 1 10 to the tens column, and we have regrouped the 16 ones into 1 10 and 6 ones and carry over 1 10 to the tens column. And in step 4, multiply the tens by 4 and add 1 10. 2 tens multiply 4 equal 8 tens, and 8 tens plus 1 10 equal 9 tens. So in simply form, 4 4 is 16, 1 carry, and 4 2 is 8, 1 9. So that is 96. So there are 96 pages in 4 notebooks. Okay. So now that's your homework time. You have to do exercise 7.2 in your CW copy, and you have to complete exercise 7.1 in your fair copy. Thank you.